Just harvested some root vegetables from the greenhouse. It snowed today. If you watched the video, snow's almost gone. I haven't checked out the Continental Divide, but I'm going to drive up there later. I just want to show you some of the beets. This is a beet we started growing in the spring. It's pretty big. I got an eggplant in there and some nice carrots. Leah and I are gonna roast vegetables tonight for dinner. And here we have some volunteers just coming up. I kept the doors closed today because it's mostly shady. See, some of the lettuce is actually popping here, even though it's below freezing every night. It is about 100 in the greenhouse, and we're not going in there. We're gonna fog up. So join me for a quick stroll, and I'll show you some of the cosmic purples that we got up in the orchard that I just pulled that are absolutely fantastical. Gremlin's joining us. I'm kind of jogging, so this camera, well worth the investment. So we're in the permaculture orchard. Now with the dinner tonight, we have some lettuce out here we can pick. It's just red leaf coming up. We have some mustard. I have a spinach bed here. So there's a lot to choose from for our salad. Got the Brussels. I've been harvesting them, just a few each night to eat. See how I do it? We have another spinach bed coming up here. And tons of other edibles. Even though it's freezing out here, there's stuff you can grow that love it. But I wanted to show you, got this purple mountain spinach coming up. I could use that. Hell yeah. This is my close to the house bed, and there's some cosmic purples I just got. Fingers to scale. Big, nice. Perfect for roasting. This is going to be our dinner tonight. We're going to make hamburgers and roasted veggies. I know, burgers. But we live in Pagosa, and the meat here is amazing. So look at these tiny carrots I have in the ground. They'll be good probably towards Christmas. We have a lot. This is a different variety in the back here. I'll pull one out here, show you the lunar whites, what they look like. And then just try to fill that hole. We'll eat one of them. But the cosmic purples are right here, and they just have a tiny little crown like this. This is all the greenery. And then this is below the surface. Isn't that amazing? So if you want a carrot that doesn't take up much space, take a look at that. It's an heirloom variety I got of cosmic purple. A Ukrainian purple variety. They're all the same. Start planting them outside. Always leave a few carrots for the wildlife and to add nutrients to your soil. Always leave a few carrots that are small that'll make it through to the next spring. In fact, I'm going to replant this one right here. And that way they'll seed, and you'll have 10,000 seeds. You'll even have carrots growing up in your lawn around the area. So, we're going to roast carrots and beets and an eggplant. And what I'm going to do is wash these off in some rainwater to get the dirt off, and that's all we do. I like all the, whatever stays, and I like a little dirt in my food. Then I'm going to chop these up into 1-inch squares. That's my 1-inch cubes. That's my target. You want smaller, nothing bigger than that. And then I'm going to toss them in a pan with some oil of my choice, high temperature oil, olive oil, walnut oil, your choice, and salt and pepper. And I put cayenne in almost all my roasted vegetables as well. Then I put it in a Pyrex pan similar to this, the cut up pieces. Cover it for 40 minutes at 350, and then uncover it for the last 15 minutes at about 375. Crisp them up in the oil. Make sure everything's coated in oil. Make sure halfway through you toss whatever's in your pan up so it doesn't stick. And that's how I roast my vegetables, and they come out soft and flavorful and delicious. You got any other tips for me, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Share this with like-minded people. It just snowed this morning, and we're having roasted veggies tonight. Right from the dirt in Pagosa Springs. That's how you do it, right like that. Eggplants in at Halloween. Oh.